Welcome to another Bev and Ryan Resort Tour. In this video, we're taking you on a tour of the stunning Secrets Puerto Los Cabos Golf and Spa Resort, a luxurious, adults-only all-inclusive retreat. We'll give you an inside look at our Preferred Club Junior Suite Ocean View King Room, the resort's restaurants, amenities, and activities that make this destination so special. Nestled along the breathtaking coastline of the Baja California Peninsula, this 5-star resort is surrounded by the Sierra de la Laguna Mountains and offers a perfect blend of elegance, relaxation, and adventure. From gourmet dining and world-class spa treatments to an award-winning golf course and endless activities, there's something here for every traveler seeking indulgence and tranquility. The moment we stepped into the resort, we knew we were in for something special. The grand lobby greets guests with soaring ceilings, intricate decor, and panoramic ocean views. As Preferred Club guests, we were whisked away by golf cart to the exclusive Preferred Club Lounge for check-in. This lounge offers a more elevated and personalized check-in experience compared to the standard reception area. With a stylish bar, comfortable seating, and a delicious selection of appetizers, it was a perfect way to unwind after our journey to Los Cabos. The welcoming atmosphere and added perks made for a fantastic first impression of the Preferred Club experience. Before taking a tour of our Preferred Club room, I want to answer a common question we are asked all the time. How do we get the best rates when booking our hotel stays? The answer? We used Planin.com to save quite a bit of money on our stay here at Secrets Puerto Los Cabos. Planin.com is a new booking website that partners with familiar platforms like Booking.com, Agoda, and Priceline to bring you even more discounts on different hotels from all over the world. For example, let's look at pricing for several hotels around Cabo San Lucas for a 3-night stay for 2 adults on April 21st to the 24th using Planin.com. As you can see, Planin.com offers a sizable 21% discount at Secrets Puerto Los Cabos. Check out this huge discount of 30% off at the luxurious Nobu Hotel Los Cabos. Or how about getting 33% off standard rates at the all-inclusive Pueblo Bonito Los Cabos Blanco? Breathless, one of our favorite hotels in Cabo San Lucas, has an amazing 35% off standard rates. So what's the catch? You have to be a Planin member and logged in to be able to access these discounts. But the best part is that being a member is completely free. All you have to do is sign up for a free account and be logged in to Planin to access these discounts. If you sign up using our referral link in the description or scanning the QR code, you really help out our channel and allow us to bring you more hotel videos like this. Now let's get back to our tour. Let's take a look at room 6412 here at Secrets Puerto Los Cabos. This is a Preferred Junior Suite Ocean View. So first, let's make our way to the bathroom. This has dual sinks which are separate. So there's one of them right there. There's a toilet, a nice soaking tub, and here's a second sink. Also has this nice rainfall shower in here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, let's take a look at the stuff they provide for us here. So there's the toothbrushes and some other amenities like the toothpaste. Now let's make our way to the bedroom. Nice lounging chair right there. The king-size bed. And here is the closet. Let's check out what's in here. So a couple bathrobes, the iron and ironing board. There's a safe and a couple of slippers. Let's see, this is some storage area for your luggage, some drawers, big screen TV with some snacks here. This is all inclusive, so those are all included. Let's see what's in here. Some glasses for your drinks. Some more storage drawers. And this fridge has a bunch of drinks also. Here's a nice desk. Here's another look at the king-size bed. And they give you this nice secrets bag which you can take home. And they provide towels there. And over here is this tablet where you can check out all the activities at the resort and order room service. And let's check out the outside here. So we have a very nice soaking tub and a couple chairs here. And check out this view of the resort and the ocean back there, which is very nice. So overall, it's a very nice room here at Secrets Puerto Los Cabos.
Now, let's take a look at the various dining options the resort has to offer. Savor the freshest seafood dishes with a regional and international twist while enjoying breathtaking oceanfront views at Oceana. This elegant open-air restaurant is open for both breakfast and dinner, specializing in expertly prepared fish, shellfish, and seasonal ingredients that showcase the best of coastal dining. We started off dinner with some drinks and the flavorful scallops and tuna carpaccio appetizers. For our main courses, we had the surf and turf and seafood paella. While the surf and turf was enjoyable, the paella was underwhelming and did not meet our expectations. One thing to note is that breakfast at Oceana is exclusively available for preferred club guests. We started our morning with a refreshing fruit smoothie and green juice, accompanied by a beautifully presented fruit platter. For our main entrees, we enjoyed delicious chilaquiles with steak and a flavorful chicken burrito. The breakfast here was fantastic, offering both quality and variety. Overall, Oceana offers a stunning setting with a good selection of dishes. Delight in the flavors of Italy at Portofino, where handmade pasta, gourmet pizzas, and savory seafood dishes take center stage. With an extensive wine list and a charming ambiance, this Italian eatery offers an authentic taste of the Mediterranean. It's only open for dinner, and here's a look at the items we tried. Of course, we had to start with some drinks. For appetizers, we had the beef carpaccio and crispy mixed seafood. Our main entrees were the rigatoni pasta and grilled fish fillet. We thought the food here was just okay, nothing special. Immerse yourself in the rich flavors of Mexico at El Patio, offering traditional dishes such as enchiladas, mole, and fresh guacamole. This lively restaurant captures the essence of authentic Mexican cuisine in a festive, colorful atmosphere. El Patio is only open for dinner, and here's a quick look at the items we ordered. We started off with refreshing mojitos, chips and salsa, tuna tartare with black sauce, and the chef's ceviche. We had wood-fired flank steak and a variety of tacos for our main entrees. This was our favorite spot as the food was very good and the restaurant had a great ambiance. Experience an Asian culinary journey with a menu featuring Japanese, Chinese, and Thai influences at Himitsu. Dinner reservations are highly recommended here as it seems to be the most popular restaurant at the resort. We opted to enjoy the teppanyaki style cooking that includes live cooking stations for an interactive dining experience. It was quite an entertaining show, however, the food was quite disappointing. They put way too much salt and soy sauce, making the dishes pretty much inedible. It was a big letdown since the food looked so good while it was being prepared right in front of us.
Enjoy casual beachfront dining with a menu focused on grilled specialties at Seaside Grill. From perfectly cooked steaks to fresh seafood, Seaside Grill offers a relaxed yet refined experience, complemented by stunning ocean views and refreshing cocktails. It's open from 12 to 5 p.m., and it's where we had lunch on our second day. We had fried octopus, fish tacos, and ice cream for dessert. The food here was good, and we would have eaten here again if we had a longer stay. Guests can enjoy a variety of theme nights at the resort, featuring unique dining experiences and live entertainment. From Mexican fiestas with traditional cuisine and mariachi music to seafood nights showcasing fresh catches, each evening offers something special. Themed buffets, cultural performances, and vibrant atmospheres enhance the experience. Market Cafe offers a lively and inviting atmosphere with an extensive selection of global cuisines. Featuring live cooking stations and diverse flavors, this international buffet is open for both breakfast and lunch, making it a convenient dining option for guests. We visited for breakfast and were impressed by the variety of options, from traditional Mexican and American dishes to fresh salads, pastries, and an array of desserts. There was something to satisfy every craving. Coco Cafe is the resort's charming coffee shop serving premium coffee, pastries, and light bites. Whether you need a morning espresso or an afternoon snack, Coco Cafe is a cozy spot to relax and enjoy a quick refreshment throughout the day. Enjoy poolside dining at Barefoot Grill, which serves a selection of grilled favorites, including burgers, sandwiches, and fresh salads. Secrets Puerto Los Cabos offers a variety of bars and lounges, each offering a unique ambiance and expertly crafted beverages. Guests can enjoy the pool while grabbing some drinks at the swim-up bar amenities, or enjoy a lively atmosphere with music at Desire's Music Lounge. Barracuda serves tropical cocktails by the beach, while Rendezvous in the lobby offers a sophisticated setting for pre-dinner drinks. The resort boasts stunning infinity pools overlooking the Sea of Cortez, offering a serene escape for ultimate relaxation. Guests can unwind in the main pool, enjoy a refreshing swim in the activity pool, or sip a cocktail at the swim-up bar. Luxurious loungers and poolside service enhance the experience. Secrets also has an exclusive pool reserved for preferred club guests. This private pool offers an elevated level of luxury and tranquility, featuring plush loungers, personalized poolside service, and a serene ambiance. It is the perfect retreat for those seeking exclusivity. Enjoy refreshing cocktails, light bites, and a peaceful atmosphere away from the main resort pools. The Secret Spa by Pavonia is a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. Offering a variety of indulgent treatments, from soothing massages to invigorating facials, the spa is designed to revitalize the body and mind. Make sure to book early, as we weren't able to get any treatments as all the time slots were full. Golf enthusiasts can enjoy the stunning Puerto Los Cabos golf course, an 18-hole masterpiece designed by Jack Nicklaus and Greg Norman. This championship golf course offers breathtaking ocean views, challenging fairways, and pristine greens. With world-class facilities and a serene coastal setting, it provides an unforgettable golfing experience for all skill levels. Stay active at the state-of-the-art fitness center, equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and strength training equipment. Guests can also participate in yoga classes, personal training sessions, or group workouts to stay in shape while on vacation. Paddleboard courts are available for guests seeking additional physical activities, along with archery classes for those looking to refine their skills in a structured setting. Guests can explore a variety of shopping options within the resort, from boutique stores offering luxury apparel and souvenir shops featuring handcrafted Mexican art, jewelry, and beach essentials. There's something for every traveler. This area is called the Entertainment Center, where they have a bunch of games and they play volleyball out there. And it also has a stage where they have events weekly. Overall, we had a wonderful stay at Secrets Puerto Los Cabos. The resort grounds are immaculate, featuring stunning pools and breathtaking ocean views. Our room was beautifully designed with a luxurious feel, and one of the highlights was the outdoor tub where we could unwind while watching the gorgeous sunsets. The staff were attentive and provided excellent service throughout our stay. As preferred club guests, we truly appreciated the added benefits that enhanced our experience. However, we were somewhat disappointed with the dining options. The food was average at best and did not meet our expectations, especially compared to the outstanding culinary experience we had at Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya. If we return, we would stick to the restaurants we truly enjoyed. That said, we would still consider staying here again for the beautiful setting, exceptional service, and luxurious accommodations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to check out our other videos featuring all the Cabo San Lucas hotels we've stayed at.